Coming up, vending machines, we dispense all the facts. And dive computers, we bring you the info, no pressure. See you after the break. Welcome back. What would we do without vending machines? The perfect solution to our needs when the shops are shut. The first vending machines appeared in England in the 1880s, but they didn't sell food at all. They dispensed postcards. Today they're used for everything from hot foods to electronics and other consumer goods. Thirsty? Just select a drink. Enter its number on the keypad and the LED monitor displays what you've chosen and how much it costs. Then simply insert the money. The monitor shows you how much you've paid and releases your drink before returning any change you're due. Simple, thirst-quenching genius. As vending machines are mostly positioned in places that are unattended, they have to be strong. Each one made starts with a welded steel body, onto which the other components are added, such as the fridge and LCD monitor. Assembly begins with the unit's payment and display system, followed by the machine's control board. Technicians install an LED monitor and a keypad, which are integrated in a single unit. After bolting the unit securely into its window in the housing, they screw the control board securely in place and then plug the LED monitor and the keypad into the board. Then the coin acceptor is installed. It can be set up to recognize 16 different types of coins. When a customer inserts money, the coin acceptor sends the value to the control board, which displays the amount on the LED monitor. It then calculates the difference between how much you've paid and how much the item costs, and directs the coin acceptor to dispense any required change. Next, the banknote acceptor is installed. It identifies the denomination of an inserted bill with an optical scanner. And to make sure the currency is genuine, measures fluorescent ink with UV light and reads magnetic ink with a magnetic scanner. It sends the value of the bill to the control board. They plug the data transfer cables from the money acceptors into the control board, along with the cable that operates the machine's product release motors, and the data transfer cables for the two main coin hoppers, which collect the inserted coins and dispense change. They then close the machine with cover panels. Next, the product feed trays that go into the vending machine's fridge have to be assembled. The first step is to attach partitions to a back panel to form columns. Each column's width is set to the dimensions, weight and type of packaging of the product it will dispense, from small feather-like bags of crisps to heavy glass bottles. A feed tray can have up to 6 columns. The trays are constructed entirely of stainless steel because it copes best with cold temperatures and doesn't rust when exposed to moisture. A motor is installed at the back of each column. Once the trays are installed in the fridge, those motors plug into the control board. When the customer pays for a selected item, the board activates the motor for the corresponding column to release it. Side-by-side columns designed to be stocked with the same product have linked motors. That way, if one of the columns sells out, the linked one with more of the same product kicks in. Each motor moves the products with one of 7 sizes of steel drive spring. Technicians install the appropriate size spring for each row of product, so that the gap between the rolls isn't too big or too small. When a customer pays for the selection, the motor rotates the spring 360 degrees to release the product and move the one behind it to the front of the line. After all the trays are installed, the fridge's thermostat is adjusted and the goods are added. All that remains to be done is to test the machine. First, they purchase a product with paper money. They look for 4 things. Does the paper money feed smoothly? Does the banknote acceptor send the right data to the control board? Does the board calculate the transaction accurately, and does it activate the correct motor? They perform the same test with the coin acceptor to make sure its sensors correctly detect the coin dimension, weight, and chemical composition, and that it transmits accurate information to the control board. Vending machines have come a long way since the 19th century, and let's hope the days of thumping them to get your lost money back are long gone.